In this video, I'm going to explore 4 types of time and share 5 insights to help you create more spare time and spend it better. Let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex and I make videos about maximizing health, energy, and time. Subscribe if that interests you. So I've been spending a lot of time thinking about time, and I've come to this realization. All of our time can basically fit into 4 categories in what I call the LENI model. We can then look at each category separately and together to learn how to get more time and use it better. I wonder how many times I can say time in this video. Anyways, I'll show you the LENI model now and then use it to explain how to maximize time right after. The L stands for lifetime. Lifetime is the amount of time you're alive, from the moment you're born to the moment you pass away. It is all the time you have available to spend. To give you a rough idea of this, the average life expectancy at birth for Canadian males is 80. For Canadian females, it's 84.2. For American males, it's 76. For American females, it's 81. Time to move to Canada? Note that these are estimates based on the mortality experience of a population during a relatively short period of time. Your own experience may likely differ based on your genetics, habits, environment, and luck. E is for enjoyable time. Time spent on activities you enjoy doing, like hanging out with friends, playing sports, or relaxing. This category includes activities we desire. N is for necessary time. Time spent on activities you need to do, like eating, sleeping, and earning money. This category includes activities that we tend to consider productive. I is for idle time. Time not spent doing any of the above things. This includes spare moments you have that often appear in between activities or when you're waiting for something to happen. Let's say you order a pizza. The time you have in between the moment you tap order and the moment the pizza arrives is idle time. Now, here are 5 insights from this model that we can use to maximize our time. Insight 1. Fill your idle time by doing things you need and want. This doesn't mean you should be constantly busy doing meaningless work. Remember, enjoyment and necessity can include relaxation. Instead, filling your idle time means using your spare time efficiently and effectively. Identify when you have spare moments and figure out how to fill those moments with enjoyable or necessary activities. This reminds me of a principle from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Hustle while you wait. Do something while you wait for the pizza to arrive. Do something while you wait for your coffee to be made. When you find yourself waiting, ask yourself this question: how are you going to fill your idle time? Are you going to spend your idle time browsing Instagram, or are you going to write your blog? Are you going to spend your idle time playing Pokemon Go, or are you going to meditate? I'll talk more about this idea of different activities in the next insight. But back to idle time. Another form of idle time occurs when we're low on energy. You feel tired, your brain fogs up, and you just sit there in a daze. You can do 4 things in this situation. You can just sit there in a daze, or you can do something enjoyable that doesn't require much energy. Perhaps play video games, watch Netflix, hit the like button on my YouTube videos, or you can do something productive that doesn't require much energy, like wash the dishes or fold laundry. Or you can increase your energy by eating a fruit or going for a walk outside. Insight 2. Activities you find enjoyable or necessary are personal. Scrolling Instagram and playing Pokemon Go may seem like negative activities compared to writing a blog or meditating, but that all depends on what you value. Instagram and Pokemon Go are completely fine. They're great ways to de-stress and relax. You don't need to write a blog or meditate. In fact, if you're an adult, you don't need to do anything anyone tells you. What you enjoy depends on your personal preferences, and what you need depends on your personal situation. In the end, you need to decide what you want and need. If you want. But you probably should, because that's insight number 3. Insight 3. Prioritize your desires and needs. Getting these things takes time, and the amount of time we have is limited. See, it says right here on this piece of paper. If your needs and desires aren't realistic, you're going to burn yourself out trying to get them, and you're going to be disappointed when you aren't able to. Of course, it's very hard to determine what is realistic and what is unrealistic. You just have to try and feel things out for yourself. Be honest with yourself. If you pick a few things that you really want and need, and you focus your time on them, you're more likely to succeed. Now here's another way to increase your odds of success. Insight 4. Enjoy the necessities. Here are 3 ways to do that. 1. Learn to do the necessities in ways you enjoy. For example, learn to cook meals you enjoy eating. Play sports or just dance to get your exercise in. Choose a career doing work you enjoy. You don't need to love your job, but your daily life will be much better if you can at least find aspects of your job that you enjoy, like the people you work with, the problems you solve, or the work and results you create. 2. If the things you need to do don't require much attention, do things you enjoy at the same time. Listen to podcasts while you wash dishes, watch TV while you fold laundry, or listen to music while you work. 3. Make necessities like chores fun by making them a race. Do them as fast as you can. Challenge yourself to wash the dishes in 15 minutes. Not only will this make it an entertaining challenge, but it will also save you time. And the 5th insight is to increase your lifetime, which you can do in 2 ways. You can improve your health by eating healthy, exercising, drinking in moderation, and quitting smoking. And you can be more careful to reduce your risk of accidents. Drive carefully, wear a helmet when needed, and avoid questionable situations. If you want to learn what I think are the 4 most important ways to get more time, you can watch that video right here. I hope you found that helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe for weekly videos if you haven't already. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you to my subscribers for the support, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Who am I?